Hey, it's Jason with Dad's That Cook. You know I'm gonna do a little something simple tonight. I'm looking around to see what I have. Penne, ground chicken. I know you guys probably all do this at home too, where you just improv, you make something up. You're like, hey, what do I got in my fridge? I've got this, I got that, I got this. That sounds great. So that's what we're doing tonight. So first we're gonna get the water boiling. Let's get that up and going. Bunch of sea salt in there. Let's open this bad boy up. Dump it right in the bowl. I'll throw 1 egg in there. I'm gonna throw some breadcrumbs. It's probably about 1/2 cup. Crack some pepper in there. Rosemary and lemon sea salt, all the way from Flora Farms. So just get a little Italian seasoning, throw that in there with it. I'm gonna take that, put that to the side. I'm gonna grab these mushrooms here. So I think I'm just going to slice these guys up like so. Get in there with your hand and make it happen. This is looking pretty good. One thing I like to add is a little garlic. I just use a little Christopher Ranch. It's already ready to go. Little shallots, gives it some extra flavor. Let's mix that in there with it. So the water's boiling, it's doing its thing. I'm gonna turn it down just a little bit. Let's get my little pan going here. Throw a little olive oil in there. Let's get our penne in there, because that's gonna take 10 minutes. I'm gonna make little small meatballs. I'm gonna make tablespoon-sized meatballs. Let's bring that over here. We're gonna grab a little one of these. Boom. A little scoop. Boom. Put a little more salt. And we might even throw a little tomato in there. I've got some sun-dried tomatoes and some pesto. We're definitely gonna use the pesto and some parmesan. All right, so let's check on these meatballs here. Ooh, those are looking good. Penne is almost done. Strain that up. Olive oil in there. Put a little garlic in there. A little wine. I'm gonna go whole with these tomatoes. Grab a little pesto. And a few sun-dried tomatoes. A little julienne. Give it a stir. Pinch of some kosher salt in there. Let's get a little pepper. Cook that up for a couple seconds. And I'm gonna add a little parmesan into this. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do to assemble this stuff. We're gonna grab a couple of these meatballs. We're gonna throw them in this fresh little pan here. Grab like 4 of them, something like that. Some of the sauce that we just made. We're gonna throw that in there with it. I'm gonna take a little pasta. Parmesan. Let's give it a whirl. Meatballs are nice and moist and soft. Flavor of the pesto, really good. All right, so that's what we had for tonight with Dad's That Cook. We had the improv little deal with the chicken meatballs that we made penne and pesto and put some mushrooms in there, and we put some tomatoes and some sun-dried tomatoes, garlic, shallots, all that good stuff. It was delicious. It was really, really good. So give it a try, see what happens. Anyway, thanks for hanging out with us, and we'll see you next time. Hey, thanks for watching. You like our videos? Well, then do me a favor and subscribe, because then we can update you on what's going on. You'll also know when we're giving away really cool stuff, which happens all the time. So make sure you subscribe, and we'll be in touch.